going, Rednecks? We are here once again at Shop PM working on the Ford Ranger. We are just finishing up the roll cage, and the next thing we got to do is cab mounts and mount the radiator in the back. So let's get to it. Alright guys, you gotta check this out. I actually drove the Bonneville home from where it was at. I think it was about an hour and a half away, and we just pulled one of the rotors off. Check this out.
That is not good.
That does not feel good. That feels like a CV axle broken or something. Oh, it's close. It's really close. There it goes. Got it, man. Check it. Oh yeah. That was dramatic.
Sauteed.
Sauteed, dude.
Boom.
They're gonna notice. They're gonna notice and be like, wow, Brian, he's really upping his game right now.
Is this how you get more subscribers? Hey, what's the redneck here?
Thank you for the wonderful shot, man. Alright, Rednecks, it is the next day, and we're going to try and fit some rims and tires on the back that have more offset to give us clearance for the struts. I'll take a look right here. These ones are tucked pretty far in there, and we are hoping with the offset of these rims right here, we will be able to clear them struts right there. So yeah, I'm going to get started right now by cutting a little bit off of the driver's side and see if I can't get this one to clear it. Well, check it out, guys. We have the rims and tires on the back, and they just so happen to match the front too. So we have a matching rear and front set. Only these are 15s and the fronts are 14s. And then in the back, we got the radiator mounted. The only thing we got to do now is fix our hoses a little bit. They got some kinking going on, but we'll be able to cut down some of the hose here, and that'll probably get rid of the kinks there. So yeah, we've come a long ways. next. This build looks pretty crazy. We got the radiator installed in the back. We got the bedsides put on. We put wheel spacers on, and that allowed us to fit our 33-12.5s in the back. And the peon is just finishing up the cab mounts right now. We had someone stop by. Oh! Captain Matt Murdoch stopped by and helped us out. That was cool of him to stop by, and I enjoyed seeing him again. We met him actually last year at the Gambler 500 in Detroit. So, yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, and get back to work.
Hey, I'm not going to school for trailer backing up.